I cannot make this up. Tesla cannot close above 348.29. We closed at 339.64, down $2.39. Post-market, we seem to be up a little bit. So let's take a look at this. Look at this. I cannot make this up. I draw a line at 348.29, and Tesla goes up to that line and stop. This is the price. The price goes up, cannot break that line. Price goes up, cannot break that line. Goes up, goes up, goes up. If you don't believe in technical analysis when you see this, it's because you don't want to see it. You don't want to see it. Sellers overpower the buyers at that price point. This is what we do with our lines. We are looking at the frontier of the tug of war between the buyers and sellers, and there's a frontier right there. So the upper frontier is at 348.29. The lower frontier is at 326.29 right here. So this is where we are at. So there's a perfect balance of power between the buyers and sellers. So there's not much to do for us. We can speculate. We can speculate and say, okay, I think it's going to break 248 eventually, so I'm going to get in. Or if I'm in, I'm going to stay in. Or we can wait until we see something happen. We break 348.29 or we break 326.29. If you are selling covered calls, if you are selling covered calls, you can sell them and you are happy because the premium is decreasing and decreasing and decreasing. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart. So, okay, yesterday, this is interesting. Yesterday, we had a bit of a move down at the beginning of the day, and then we started to climb on the support line. And I said we are going to break very soon, either this one or right there. But we are going to break either this line or this line. And today we have the results. We have the results right here. So we have broken this upward bullish support line. So we are going sideways. So this bullish channel is no longer in effect. So this is indicating that this short-term bullish move that started at the beginning of November is no longer happening. We are really going sideways because we are even outside of our bullish channel. So, in terms of news, that's not the best news. Tesla is not going lower though, but it's just, it has less chance to go higher. And if we take a look at stochastic, it is not over 60 anymore. So we have a weakening right here. We can have a little bit less expectations that we are going higher. Unless things change, unless some news makes more buyers want to buy Tesla than sellers. They are in equilibrium right now. But if more buyers suddenly decide to buy more, then this is going to change the balance. But so far, this is what we can see. Take a look at the rest of the market to understand if something else is having an impact on Tesla. Let's take a look at the VIX. So VIX, we are down a little bit, down 1.69. We are at 1686, not too bad. We still have an uptrend. We still have an uptrend right here. And in an ideal world, VIX would be remaining flat. So we have a little bit of an uptrend right here. So we need to pay attention to this. In terms of the bonds, when the bonds are going higher, stocks tend to go lower. So here we still have not broken this downward resistance and we don't want it to break. We want it to go here and to start going down again. But bonds have been going higher since mid-September and now they are temporarily stopped. And for the past 2 days, it has been inching a little bit higher. Let's take a look at the stock indices. Dow Jones, oh wow, nice move. We have broken a little bit 43,339, the support, and now we are bouncing nicely on it. Very strong day for Dow Jones, 1%. 1% a day is kind of big. 1% a day is 200% a year. S&P 500, nice bounce also. And NASDAQ, also nice bounce. So, stock market is strong. And I cannot help but like what I see right here. Very beautiful to see it, touch the support. It's been 5 days. It's been respecting the support for 5 days. We had last stochastic over 60 briefly. Now we are getting it back. So maybe there's a little bit of a breath of fresh air that is happening. If we take a look at the rest of the market, at the checklist right here, it's basically a down day for the Fabulous 7. NVIDIA moving a little bit higher. Not that much. They had great earnings. If you want to know when I find other buy signals, like this one right here, if you want to know where I find those, become a member either at the buy alert level or at the community level. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.